Guys, good morning. So, ating tingnan. Okay, so atong lantaw ng atong dagat diri. Okay, very malinaw. Okay, so yan. Sun is up. Tsada kaayo lantaw ng atong dagat. Okay, so there. Chilling. Chilling. Okay. Ayan. Sana ganun ang mga movements. Okay, dili kayo kusog. Okay, not like na nagkaroon ng ng bagyo. Okay, so there. Wow. Meron pang fish. Okay. So there. Okay, dami ng mga students doon. Dito naman ako nag-watch lang sa dagat. Wow, very nice. Tsaka kayo dagat. Okay, so malinaw jud kaayo. Okay, so lakad-lakad ako doon. Okay, thank you for watching. Tsaka kayo atong dagat ngayon. Okay, so bye. Bye for now. God bless everyone. God bless. Okay.